also be covered very nicely. All right, and the inverse of graphs functions. It will help you in that as well. Okay, so let's do the first question. It is basically topic 4, and it says algebraic expressions and manipulations. Algebraic expressions and manipulations. So basically all you need to do is deal with equations over here. All right. Okay, so question 1 says, please note this question down. This is a past paper question. And basically there is nothing to study about it. I'm not going to give a lecture on this. We'll directly jump to past paper questions because it's a very basic topic. I'm sure you all know this. All right, it's this January 2000 paper 1, question 12. All right, so the question says that express as a single fraction. And what do you need to express as a single fraction? Basically, these are the two expressions given, two fractions given, 2 upon x plus 2 minus x upon x plus 3. That's it. You need to convert this into a single fraction. I'll give you a minute for this. Please quickly solve it and tell me the answer. I would really like if you are able to do it yourself. I'll help you with it wherever you're stuck, but it's actually good that you try to do it yourself. So, where are you facing the problem, Hafsa?
1 minute, I'll try.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, Ali, what about you? Where have you reached?
I'm doing, sir.
Oh, okay. Shazib, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ibrahim, Fahad, what about you guys?
Sir, I don't know how to do this.
You won't be able to do this. Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you this in a minute. Hafsa, what about you? Did you try this? Are you done?
Yes, I have no idea. Oh.
Okay, don't worry. So basically, when we have two different fractions, all right. Now, if there was a multiplication sign over here instead of this, then of course it would have been very easy. Just multiply the numerator with numerator, multiply denominator with denominator, and you're done, right? But when we have a plus or a minus sign, it means these fractions cannot be multiplied directly with each other. So what do we need to do? So we need to take their LCM and we need to make the denominators same. All right. So let's say you have 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 6. So how do you guys solve this? Or let's just do a
Sir, it's
minus
quite
sign over
easy.
here. Yeah. How do you do this? Ali?
Make the denominators same.
Exactly. So how do you make the denominator same?
LCM.
Taking LCM.
By taking LCM. And how will you take the LCM? What are the two numbers of which you need an LCM?
5 and 6.
5 and 6. What will be the LCM of 5 and 6?
30.
30. How do you get that? You get that by doing 5 multiplied by 6.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So what do you do with this 4 and 7 now? LCM is taken. It's 30. Now what's
We
next?
will subtract then.
No, 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 no.
No, we will multiply
Yeah. Go
this
ahead.
with 6.
We'll multiply 4 with.
So when we will make 5 to make 530 we'll multiply it by 6, so we'll multiply 4 by 6 too, and multiply
Very
6
right.
by 5, so we'll multiply
Exactly.
7 by 5 too.
Okay. You'll do 4 times 6 minus 7 times 5. Who is confused in this part? Ibrahim? Ibrahim, any idea what just happened?
No, sir.
Don't worry. Okay, I'll explain it in a minute. Okay, so an easy way of doing is doing this as, let's say we need 30, all right, as an LCM. All right, so what do? What is the number by which you'll multiply 5 that you'll get 30 as your answer?
6.
Right? So you do 5 times 6, but you'll also need to multiply the numerator. That is the whole point of doing it. We can multiply or divide a fraction. It will remain the same unless we're multiplying both numerators and denominators. For example, we have 1 by 5. What if we multiply this by 10 and also this by 10? It will become 10 by 50, which is again equal to 1 by 5. All right. 10 by 50 is equal to 1 by 5. 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are 50. We can get 1 by 5 once again. So if we multiply any number to the numerator and denominator, then the fraction remains the same. All right. So so make this fraction, to make the denominators equal to 30, we'll multiply 5 by 6. And when we're multiplying 5 by 6, we will have to multiply the numerator as well so that the fraction does not change. So Ibrahim, what number do we multiply 6 with?
Sir, 5.
And what is the next step that we need to do?
Sir, we multiply the numerator as well.
Yeah, then multiply numerator 7 times 5 as well, right? 6 times 5, so 7 times 5 as well. So what is the fraction? What is the new fraction that we'll get? We will get 4 times 6 minus 7 times 5 upon 30. Did that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we need to do exactly the same thing with these fractions as well.
Sir.
Yes. Who can do it now? Yes.
Sir, I've done it. May I send it on WhatsApp?
Yeah, send me a solution of it, please.
Oh.
Okay, yes. Fahad, are you done? Shazib?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, those who are done, Ali and Shazib, please do this next question. You need to factorize 3p square minus 12.
Sir,
Make the factors of this. Yes,
when
Hafsa.
we multiply x plus 2 with 3, it will be 3x plus 6, or
You need to multiply x plus 2 by 3 or x plus 3. Because in this case, in the previous case, we multiplied it by the other number, the denominator of the next fraction. So in this case, we'll also multiply this whole thing by this whole thing. All right. We will multiply x plus 2 with x plus 3. And when we multiplied x plus 2 with x plus 3, it means we also need to
it will be
multiply the numerator as well. Similarly, what number do I multiply this x plus 3 with?
Sir, x plus 2.
X plus 2. Now, if it is being multiplied by x plus 2, then it means the numerator also must be multiplied with x plus 2. Right now, the denominators are same. Can you see that? X plus 2 times x plus 3. Denominators are now the same. So we have 2 times x plus 3 minus x times x plus 2. How many of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shazib and Hafsa and Fahad and Ibrahim, what about you guys? Ali?
yes, I understand it now.
Good. Ibrahim, what about you?
Sir, I got it.
All right, Fahad?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now it's simple. All you need to do is do a little maths and get the answer. Shazib and Ali Mansoor, are you guys done with this next question?
No, sir.
All right, so what you need to do, please
So
continue.
we have to do the factorization one.
Yes. 2x plus
Okay,
this
I'll send the picture in a second.
Okay. Plus 2x times x plus 2 times x plus 3. All right. So, and the next step is you just, this 2x plus this 2x will be 4x. And then this will remain the same. All right. Okay, wait a second. There's a mistake. It's minus x squared minus 2x. All right. minus x square minus 2x because it's minus. So yeah, which means this will be cancelled with this one, and you'll only be left with x minus x square plus 6 upon x plus 2 times x plus 3. There you go. That's the answer. Did you guys get this?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Shall we move on? Is everybody done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Question number 2 is you need to factorize 3p square minus 12. You need to convert it into different factors. All right. So you'll start off by taking a common value. Go ahead, take a minute and complete it.
3.
And once you're done, please tell me you're done so that I can see what do I tell you next.
I've sent the solution.
Of both, Ali?
Yes, sir, but I don't think question number 2 has the entire solution. I think there's more further into it.
Okay, I'll check that. Please do question number 3 if you're done with it.
Sir, I can't solve question number 2.
All right, Shadeb, I'll help you in a minute. 2d plus 1 upon 3d minus 1. All right, and the question says a part, find C when d is equal to 1 by 4, and for B part, express d in terms of C. Okay, those of you who are still not able to do this, question number 2, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so what is the value which is common in both of these terms? 3p and minus 12, 3. Good. All right. So what do? We do 3. We take 3 common. We're left with p square minus. What are we?
Yes.
What are we left with? 3 p square
Minus
minus
4.
minus
4.
4.
4.
Okay. Now if you guys have a look, Ali Mansoor, I want you to see this as well. Then what is this? Can I write it like 3p square minus 2 square? Because 4 is
Yes.
2 square is 4. Who knows what to
Yes,
do
sir.
next? Who knows what to do next? Is it
A square minus b square,
very nice.
basically it'll
Isn't
be,
yeah, isn't it a square minus b square? How do we open a
yes,
square
sir.
minus b square? What is the expansion of this? A square minus b square.
A plus p into a minus p,
Good.
or is it the other?
Yeah, it's a plus b times a minus b. So
No.
let's just keep 3 at a side. And p is a, 2 is b. So what should I do? Hafsa, Shazib, are you guys getting this now?
Sir, p square plus 2 square and bracket p square minus 2 square.
Shazib, have a look. Squares are over here. When we open it, you'd not see
No,
any
no square,
squares.
sorry.
Yeah,
P plus 2 and p minus 2.
very nice. P plus 2 times p minus 2. All right. So because we need to write it down in the vectors, so we will do it like this. 3 times p plus 2 times p minus 2. That's it. That's the solution. Fahad, are you understanding this?
A little bit.
Okay, what's the confusion? Where are you confused? In which step?
The A B part.
Oh, the AB part. Shazib, sorry, Fahad. It's a general formula of mathematics. For example, when we have A plus B whole squared, we can expand it like this. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. These are mathematically proven as well. We can do their derivations. All right. So, And if we have a minus b whole square, then what is the expansion of it? Who can tell?
A square minus 2ab minus b square
A square minus 2ab, what's next?
minus b square.
It's plus. Right? A square minus
So
2ab plus b squared. Similarly, we have another one which we used over here, and that was a squared minus b squared. When we have something of this sort, we can expand it like a plus b times a minus b. If you just try to solve this, you'll ultimately get the same thing. All right, I can try that as well if you're still confused. All right, so what do we have? We have a plus b times a minus b. Let's multiply this a by this first. So what do we get? A times a is a squared. Let's multiply a by minus b. What do we get, Fahad? A multiplied by minus b. What do we get?
Mm,
A times minus b. What is the answer? A times minus b. What should be the answer?
minus AB.
Minus ab. Perfect. Right? And now let's deal with this b. We multiply b with a. What do we get? B multiplied
AB
by AB, all right, so it's plus AB, and then we multiply this B by minus B. What do we get?
my minus B square.
Minus B squared, awesome. So have a look. This AB plus AB and minus AB, right? Minus AB plus AB. We can cancel them, right?
Yes.
What are you left with?
The same equation.
A square minus B square, right?
Yes. Yes.
So that is why whenever we have A squared minus B squared, we can write it like this, A plus B times A minus B. All right, we had a square minus b square, so we can write it like a plus b times a minus b. This was a squared minus b squared, so that is why we wrote b plus 2 times b minus 2. All right, it was b squared minus 2 squared, so it is just like a squared minus b squared format, so that is why we did b plus 2 times b minus 2. Did you get this now?
Yes.
Good. Okay, is everybody done with question number 2?
Yes, sir.
yes.
All right, how many of you have already started question number 3?
Me, sir.
I have
Doing it,
started.
sir.
Okay, good. Ibrahim, did you get question number 2?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please take a minute and solve this question number 3, at least a part first. And those who are done, please let me know. Is there anyone who is facing a difficulty in this? No? All good? Nice. Okay, quickly send me the pictures of this. If you are done with part A, just send me a picture of this on WhatsApp and so that I can check your solutions. Shazib, where have you reached? Shazib, I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Where have you reached, Shazib? How far are you
I'm
done?
doing part A.
Okay.
I'm on part B.
All
Sir,
right.
I've sent part A. starting.
Okay. Fahad, what about you?
Sir, I'm doing question number 3.
Yeah, question 3, part A. Are you done with this?
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, yes, that's right, Hafsa. Your answer is right. I'm still waiting for the others.
Sir, I don't know how to do a B part.
You just have to make D subject of the equation. All right, you have to express D in terms of C. It means make D subject. Okay, yes, Ali, your answer is also right. Ibrahim, Fahad, waiting for yours as well. Shazib, please send in your answers. Come on, guys, be quick, please. Okay, who is sending in the chat box? Uh, Shazib, it's better if you send a picture so that I can see you're working as well. All right, chat. If you send the answers in the chat box, I cannot see what you have done, how you have received the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ibrahim. Yeah, that's right. Okay, what's next? Fahad, just waiting for you, and then we'll move on. Those of you who are done, please do this next question. Uh, and the next question says,
Sir, I have done some of B part. I'm stuck, so can I send it on WhatsApp?
Sir,
yes,
I'm coming in a minute.
all right. Yes, you can send Hafsa. Hafsa. I'll tell you the solution, don't worry. Those of you who are done, please move on to this question number 4. So it says you need to simplify. By the way, these are all past paper questions that we are doing, so you must try your best to attempt them. These are the type of questions you're expected to see in your exams. 3k minus 3 times 2k. Oh, my bad. 3k minus 2, 2k minus 3 times 2 minus k plus 4. You need to simplify this. Just do a little here and there and just come up with a simpler expression. I do multiplications and see what adds, what subtracts, and just come up with an easy way.
Sent it.
Okay, yeah, got it. Okay, and then you need to solve the equation, which is 5t upon 3 minus t upon 2 is equal to 1. And what is the meaning of solving an equation? Who can tell me? What do you need to do when it says solve this equation? What is the question demanding?
We have to make subject t.
Yes, you have to find the value of t. Good. Go ahead. I'll check your answers in the meantime. Mhm. Okay. Fahad, what about you?
Sir, I'm confused.
Where and which question? Part A or part
Sir,
B? Question 3, part A or part B?
part A.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, so those of you who are done with question 3, please start question 4, and I'm going to explain part 3 now. Most of you did that right, but let's see how I do it, and you guys can recheck your solutions as well. Okay, so part A said that, oh, let me just write down the expression first. C is equal to 2d plus 1 upon 3d minus 1. Was this part A, Fahad?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes.
you had to find the value of C when d is equal to 1 by 4. All right, so Fahad, what should be the first step? C is equal to, what should I do? When d is 1 by 4, so what does it mean?
C is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over 4
Perfect. What's next?
plus 1
Good.
over 3
Oh,
multiplied by 1 over 4 minus 1.
excellent. That's it. Basically, this is the most difficult part. If there was any difficulty, so how do you solve it now? What is 2 multiplied by 1 by 4?
2 over 4
2 over 4. Okay, let's do it. 2 over 4 minus 1, and then we have 3 over 4 minus 1. Oh, it's 2 over 4 plus 1 and 3 over 4 minus 1,
plus 1.
right? Right? So what is the value of
Yes.
2 over 4? Just try to
Mm,
simplify it, divide it by 2 or whatever. What do you get?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. 1 over 2 is 0.5, right? Can I do it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, 0.5 plus 1. And what is the numerical decimal value of 3 by 4? Any idea?
Mm, 0.75.
Very nice. 0.75 minus 1. So what is 0.5 plus 1?
1.5.
1.5. All right. So you can basically do it on calculator as well now. 1.5 and 0.75 minus 1 is? What is 0.75 minus 1?
Minus 0.25.
Minus 0.25. All right. So yeah, you can have this answer as well, or you can just uh, simply do some other way of which is, let's say, minus 1.5 upon 0.25, or what you can do is, I okay, start from here. Can I write 1.5 as 15 upon 10?
Mm,
Right? Can you do that?
mm, yes.
All right. So 1.5 divided by 0 right? So if it is being divided by minus 0.25, then it means, can I do maybe 25 divided by 100 uh, minus 25 divided by 100? It will be
Yes.
0.25, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you know how to solve this division thing. We take reciprocal, we multiply it by 100 upon minus 25, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll just turn this into multiplication sign and we reverse this. So once we're done with that, so 10 tens are 100. All right, so what do we have? We have 150 20 upon minus 25. All right. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So we have minus 6. There you go. If you want to do it without calculator, then you can have minus 6. Well, if you just plug this value in calculator, you'll get the same answer. But usually you're not allowed to use calculator in this paper. It's a paper one question. So you need to do it without calculators. Did that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you be able to do it again yourself?
Yes.
Okay, now the next part, now B part. B part said you had to, what was B part? Express D in terms of C. So this is C. It says 2D plus 1 and 3D minus 1. All right, so you need to make D subject of this. All right, so you can simply start off by C times 3D minus 1 is equal to 2D plus 1. All right, and just see what do you get. 3CD minus C is equal to 2D plus 1. All right. Now, what you want is you want to bring all the values with D on one side and all the, because D is what you need to make the subject. 3CD minus 2D is equal to 1 plus C, because C is negative over here. It will be plus C, right? So take D common. 3C minus 2 is equal to 1 plus C. And now it is simple, 1 plus C upon 3C minus 2. This was the mistake, or this was the difficulty that you guys were having in that inverse of function concepts as well. All right,
So
you
my question number three, both part was wrong.
both parts were wrong. Okay, that's so.
Yes.
Did you get them now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hafsa, did you get how to do this
Yes.
B part?
Yes.
What was the difficulty that you were facing in this?
I didn't know what I did.
Okay, don't worry. Ali Mansoor, what about you? Were you able
Yes,
to
sir.
do this?
Yes.
Okay. So, what about question 4 now? Where are you guys on this?
Certain.
All right, please send the
Send it
pictures.
is a picture.
Okay, fine.
I've sent mine.
All right, let me check. I think, yeah, that's enough